Hi guys, today I'm going to be playing Undertale, and this is the part 4 of Undertale, and you've probably seen, some of you probably seen the last video. It's called me suffering for the entire video, something like that. Use the box. Why is everything just that? And right, I gotta do this. Get this. There's a tutu lying on the ground. What I could do to really take it up. You got the old tutu. So the last video we ended off going to grill base with sand and freezing water and suffering, of course, and like any usual video will happen. Me suffering forever. So but hi, I'm here with my daily report regarding that human I called you about earlier. Did I? Yes, of course I did. I fought them valiantly. What, did I capture them? Well, no. I tried very hard and but in the end, I failed. You're going to take the human soul by yourself? And you don't have to destroy them, you see. Oh, she's mad. She's real mad. This little shield here, I don't know. I'll help you in any way I can. Can move. Shouldn't have moved. Don't kill me! Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Don't. Well, this is probably where the game gets more interesting. This shit is freaking disappear under the shadows. This game is weird. Yo, did you see the way she was staring at you? That was awesome. I'm so jealous. What you do to get her attention? Haha. Come on, let's go watch her beat up some bad guys. Okay. Feeling that hangs of you, but you stayed determined. So, right. Easy. Here we go. Let's get that. This. Okay, here I go. Okay. Ellen Flex system. That's one weird heck of a monster. I mean, what? Yep, the Flex Flex is like attacking to me. Oh, why did I do that? If I'm not even gonna attack. Oh, that was easy. Flex how they Flex is twice. That's how attack is just whoa! Do your man! I want to use those. No. It takes a lot of damage to Flex really hard. This is the weirdest game ever. What the heck? Anyway, so I remember there's something that's clicking near here, and I have no idea how to do this. I'll be back. So I tried to go there, but I forgot that it was something that I need for the gentle or something. Maybe it's something like a shoe, and I don't quite know if that's actually the one next. Yeah, I don't think that. But I'm stupid. That's not here. No, it was kind of something random and stupid. I mean, I've seen a lot of. I mean, I don't know. I don't think that's where the shoe is. That's a very secret place, but I don't think that's where the shoe is. Why am I even trying to get the shoe? I mean, it's more the inside one. What's the for the inside one? So, here we go. It doesn't matter. I don't know. Alright, here we go. Ring. Hello, this is Pyrus. Okay. How did I get this number? It was easy! I just dialed this number secretly until I got yours. That's weird. Yeah. So, what are you wearing? Blah, blah, blah. Yes, shut up, please. You want to keep going on? What do we say? I don't know. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. Stop talking. Wash. Clean. Yes, wash with clean you. Top ceramic side. Clean inside. Is that good? Give me. Oh my God. Oh God. Whatever. Oh my God. What's this? Look through the telescope? Yes. Check wall. Check wall. This wall? Okay. What's this? Nothing. Okay. Keep going. Alright. Just going through. Just going through. Okay! Oh no. Oh, run. Go up. Oh! What the? Okay, my phone is game over. I've been doing so good until now. Music's gonna get fun. Why didn't the music stop? So that's like it. Stop me then. Do not stop. This was just to go in the car now. On the side. Oh my God. No! Help this again. Really harder. I want this thing out, dear God. Oh my God! No, he is! No, she is not! Alright, I guess. You are here too? Oh my God. Oh, okay. Let's take me some water. Things are really gonna get interesting in Waterfall. Oh yeah, you again. Yo, did you see that? And then just touch me. Never watching my face ever again. Man, only one lucky. We're standing just a little bit to the left. Yo, don't worry. Sure, we'll see her again. I'm gonna make millions of episodes of this one game. Well, this is the perfect timing for the save because my grandma is speaking maybe what's it called again? My grandma just made me food to eat. So just got saved and let's eat it for a little bit. Why still? Oh, some cheese. Okay, guys. I'm thinking about getting into a telescope business. 50 what? 50,000 G. To use a premium telescope. Yeah. You can use it for free. Okay, how's about that? How's about it? Yes. Okay. No clue this time? No clue? Oh, no clue? No clue, I guess. Why is it? What's wrong with my face? So, I'll give you a full refund. It's stupid. Top 5 my stupidest Undertale characters. Number 5, Sans. Number 4, Sans. Number 3, Sans. Number 2, Sans. Number 1, Sans. What is this? Oh, you again! Hey! I was going to Mr. but I'll still know good news. Finally, I've found a solution. Punch cards. Every time you buy an ice cream, you can take a punch card from the box. You have 3 cards. You can try them for free nice ice cream. They are sure to get the customers to come back. Ice cream. It's frozen treat and warms you hot. Now it's 25 days. Did you make it cheaper? Yep, it is cheaper. It's super. Here you go. You got it in the box. You got it. And then ice cream. Hey, when did the purple thing in my eye? The box. Take it out. Like, going. I guess I'll do. Side. Can't get a punch card. So this is real shoe, is that? But we are not here for the shoe. We are here to get to the next area. I know Papa is gonna call me that here, so I'm not even gonna bother. I knew it. Remember when I asked you about crows? Yep, just skip everything. Where do I eat? Okay, I'm going. Okay, the counter. My smile! Oh, genius. for a long time. And of course, it's 0 XP and 0 gold. Where do we go again? Here, right? Yeah! Here we go! Oh no. It's the annoying squid. It's the annoying squid. It's the annoying squid! Every time there's this thing, I'm probably just gonna eat. Finally! Now, who are you? Smile. Smile. Yes, to see you and smile too. There's a spider in the corner. Oh no, what is it? Where the heck is Ellen? Oh my god. That's creepy. Oh my god. Okay. Please let me tell you. Thank you for the 2 gold, I guess. Okay. Is this some sort of part of the wall or something? What the heck, man? Anyway. Let's go, annoying kid, whatever your name is. Oh. I shouldn't have recorded this while eating. I was joking. I only spilled some water near me. I'll probably be dead if there was no water near me. Aren't you supposed to be in the umbrella with me? Alright. Oh my god. It's so pretty. Oh my god. I numbers about me. It's just some of the glitch. Don't the umbrella. Where I started. Go ahead and everybody else. Find a way to get through. Whenever there's a bridge, I know it gives me bad feelings. And then it's gonna appear again, isn't he? What is happening? Yup, she is gonna appear again. Oh my god. Don't kill me! Don't kill me! No! I'm dead. Dead! Give me! I'm very much dead. Where am I supposed to go? Go as slow as possible. Go as slow as possible. Whoa! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh god! Please windows. I do. Uh-oh. Well, I'm back, cookies. I'm dead. Is this supposed to happen? I'm falling. Oh my god. Oh, him from over here. Oh, you fell down, haven't you? Are you okay? Here, get up. See, gamer, huh? Yeah, that's a nice name. That's not a nice name because this game doesn't let me type in numbers. My name is. What's your name? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? I don't understand. Is that some part of the wall or something? Oh my god. So, guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. So, make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't yet. And there's no like goal for today. I mean, it is already a freaking series. Our murder series. I'm in 3 episodes. It's a series, right? Now, goodbye. Goodbye.